Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So let's talk about kids cooking classes. Now, doesn't this sound like such a good idea? Yes, it does. Yes, this actually can happen. Okay. Even I was at Zayre's the other day, and they had cooking classes, and some cooking classes were actually for kids. So, like, obviously, the parents would be there too, helping the kids. But it was cooking classes that kids could easily do, depending on the age. And isn't that such a fun idea? Because I would say, especially on the weekends, parents might not have time to go to a cooking class because they're with their kids and they want to do things with their kids. So, how about having like a pizza cooking class for kids? So, what I think you should do is have people sign up at least 2 weeks in advance just to be safe so that you can actually order in everything and then have their pizza kit ready for them when they come. Now, the thing about pizza, though, is obviously to make the pizza, you need the oven. So you might not want to have big cooking classes if you're just using the one oven, or I don't know if there's places you could rent with more than one oven. Probably not, I'm thinking. But you could do it so you could even just have like a couple people over and make one or two pizzas, because if you guys order the sheet pans, like these come in a set of two, and the pizza crust is for two thin pizzas, I believe. Yes, it is. But you could each have them pretty much sample some, right? So like you could have one pan. So as I said, it's a set of two. So you could have one pan with like cheese, like pepperoni, things that kids would like, and then have the other pan have like cheese, like pepperoni, green peppers, like mushrooms, things that the older people might like, and then cook them and then taste them, right? So kids, you guys would all love it. And there should be a dessert of some kind too. So I think like pudding is popular. Actually, that's probably the most popular. So have that. And then let's say as a little appetizer, kids. Probably yogurt is a safe bet for kids, right? So like you could do a sweet dip mix. Let's see if I can find that. A sweet dip mix right here to add to some yogurt. So like you could have any one of these. So like have them have that like as a little snack first, and then they could actually purchase their own kit so that they can make it with you, but then you can give them their own kit to take home. How nice is that? So actually you could have like 10 people, like you could have 10 people, and then that's a qualified cooking class right there. And then for pretty much everyone who is there, you can say to them, hey, who wants to host their own cooking class at their own home? So you would do the same thing at their own home, and they would, have their sister come over, mom, dad, and their sister's kids, so have like a kids cooking class at home, at their own home. And like try to think outside the box. But I think that this would be such an amazing thing, because parents, as you know, like to do things with their kids, and learning things that are so much healthier and things you could do at home and not have to eat out is just awesome, right? So as I said, just as an example, your kit could include this package plus a sweet dip mix to, let's just say, if you want to make yogurt like as a little snack first. Where are they? The sweet dip mixes here. And then let's say as a dessert, which I forgot to mention, you could throw in a pudding. Our instant chocolate pudding is so good. And do not forget to order in the sheet pans, because these are much tinier, and it comes in a set of two. So if you kind of offer them this as a package, they go, oh, wow, well, this makes it so easy. Plus, I come to you. You would actually show us how to cook this. And then we can do the same thing at home. That sounds awesome, right? I think it does. So yeah, you guys, so have fun, because if you are new in your first 3 months, if you do 4 cooking classes every single month, you will get, shoot, I don't have the sheet in front of me. You pretty much get $100 worth of free product credit. No, I think it's 175 free product credit. You will get a your kit that you signed up for, you will get that product credit free also, so that's also 175. And you get tickets, or I'm sorry, you will get a ticket to our conference and not have to pay for that either. There's probably more, I just don't have the sheet in front of me. So if you are new, try to get those 12 cooking classes in 3 months. So that's 4 cooking classes every single month. And that's it, you guys. And a good way to do that is to host kids cooking classes, like I said, and to take it a step further, have them purchase their kits first, or just have a kids cooking class and then have your catalogs out and then say, hey, who wants to order something? Because you can all order the same things, and like, as you guys could tell today, things tasted awesome. So just something to think about. Anyway, you guys, thank you, blah. I have been talking a lot today. Sorry, I have been teaching all day, and I'm just so excited that Epicure USA is coming out tomorrow, as you guys can probably tell. So thank you guys so much for listening, and I will see you guys in the next one.